Hello peoples, this is my review on a 2025 Zippo lighter. The insert is from 2025 and the what's it called? The shroud is from 2024. You can see it has a, let me see if I can get to focus. Nope, I can't. Focus, damn you. Well, it says 2024. This one says 2025 because it's made in 2025. But yeah, this is a 2025 Zippo insert. Works pretty well. My 2024 Zippo insert, failed on me. There's no difference between them, the inserts on the different years. Yeah, it's a lighter. It lights, does what it's supposed to. You can do cool tricks. Parts are interchangeable with any other Zippo. It's just a good lighter. Works well. If you have the extra money, or if you're some dumb rich person, buy a Zero. Way better in quality. Don't gotta refuel it at all the time like a Zippo, but yeah. And if you actually care about, efficiency, just get a Bic. But yeah, these are cool. Exact same Zippo insert, just different shroud. This one's 2025. Exactly the same in design, just this one has license to carry small arms on it. This is a whole nother lighter. It doesn't work very well, but I made it out of parts. Has a 2024 shroud. It's completely brass. The coating has been worn off. It's an old shroud, really old and really used. And the insert, well, I cobbled that together from parts. It works decently well for what it is. This is my Vietnam Zippo. It's not fueled. USA Bosom something, world's first guided missile carrier.